Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. After Bafana Bafana lost 2-0 to Mexico in the opening game of the FIFA World Cup, here is what Hugo Broos said. He says, "I think my team played a good game. In some moments in the game, Mexico were even desperate. They didn't know how to find spaces, so everything was good. The only thing that must be better in the next game is when we have the ball. That was not so good today, so we have to work on it." And then when it came to his 3-5-2 formation, here's what he says. "I think when you saw the game, you would know why I did that. Except for the first 15 minutes, which was high pressure from Mexico. There was balance in the game. Then they became desperate, not knowing what to do with the ball. The two defenders just had the ball at their feet with not much solution. That answers your question why I played this today." So let me hear your thoughts. Do you even understand what Hugo Broos is saying? Because what I can hear is that he's saying he played very good. I don't know if we were watching the same football as him, because it seemed like Bafana they didn't know what they were doing, but Hugo Broos says that they played good. He is even defending his formation of 3-5-2, which I thought it's 5-3-2 instead of 3-5-2. And then he also commented on two of his players getting red cards, Pepelo Stole and Themba Zwane. Here's what he says. He says it's not nice for both players to get red card in an opening game of the World Cup. The first one we must accept. The player was going in on goal. Yaya fouled him. But the second one, the Mexican player blocked my player. Then it was a bit soft for a red card. We have two players out in the next game, but we have other players. And if our players can show the same mentality, we can have better results." And then when he was asked whether they could still go far in the tournament, Hugo Broos said, "Look, in a tournament, you can't think too far. Anything can happen. The goal stays the same as a week ago. Survive the group stages. It was not a good start, but it is what it is. So we must stay positive and see what happens." So yeah, that's Hugo Broos on the game, the red cards, and also his formation and the overall loss of the game. He had no intention to apologize. So it seems like Hugo Broos is pleased with how the game went. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Hugo Broos in his press conference saying that he thinks everything was good and that Mexico were the ones who were desperate, they didn't know what to do, and everything went according to plan? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Because in my opinion, Bafana were not even threatening the goals of Mexico. But Hugo Broos, it seems like he sees nothing wrong with that. So it shows that he only came to defend, and probably his plan for defending it works. That is why he says that it was good and that Mexico were desperate. They didn't know what to do. Because honestly, we know there are teams that loses games and you can tell that they didn't deserve to lose because of the performance. But honestly, Bafana they deserved to lose. And also, do you think that Bafana still has a chance to go further than the group stage? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.